Hey everybody, it's Dr. John Labrie here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some more advanced ways that you can use a foam roller for your thoracic spine. So laying on your foam roller, imagine your thoracic spine being divided up into bottom, middle, and upper parts, and with the foam roller in each area, you're going to give yourself a big hug and go back into extension and hold until you feel change. Then you go to the next area, do the same thing, and then all the way up to the top right at the base of your neck. And here what you might need to do is lift your bum up off the ground so that you can get more pressure through that upper area. If you're finding that you're getting a really stiff area through your thoracic spine, what you can do are twists going side to side, or you can do a twist and roll going into extension as well. Whatever you find works to help to loosen it up. The key is to do these movements until you feel change. Have fun with that. Let me know how it goes, and we'll talk to you again soon.